What's up, YouTube? So, oh, don't mind the car. So I did the replacement. Hold on. You can see it from here. Forgot to video it while I had it done, but I did the replacement belt to bypass the AC right there. As you can see, it has a lot of clearance. I could even do a startup for you because, yeah, can't really see it, but it clears from the pulley to the alternator. I had to remove the power steering pump, or the power steering pump and the reservoir, and just scoot that to the side. And then there's the alternator. There's about 2 bolts really you just have to undo to take this off. Sorry, it's very windy, guys. And then you gotta hit the tensioner, which is right under here. Sorry, should have recorded this long time, but this is the part number right here. Take a screenshot if you have to. I got this at CarQuest for about 30 bucks. It's pretty good. And yes, this is for an 02 Honda Civic EX coupe, and I can do the startup for you guys. Get my key. Right. So I got the key here. I'm gonna do the startup. No, gonna do the startup right here for you guys. Starts up nice. As you can see, it's running smoothly. I don't know if you guys can hear me motor, but I just bypassed the AC. Sounds good, runs good. No problems. Used to have that annoying whining sound in my car, but I fixed that now. And hope you guys like the video. Try show.